We're going to try to hang the wheels a little bit, and I know we're going to set some more records for us. I'm Kari Bahus, and I'm from West Plains, Missouri, and I've been racing the open container for about 3 years now. Open container started out as your regular full-size Blazer with a top on it. A bunch of late nights in the shop, and started putting things together. Kind of open container just kind of fell in line with it. Originally it was a Bud Light can, because that's what we were all drinking, and the Bud Light can got wore out from everybody touching it and wanting to see if it was real. I built it to have a good time with it and to cut up and to take to town and raise hell. Like everything I do, it's just the next level. I always try to do something different. This actually, it wasn't supposed to be what it is. I never expected it to get as big as what it is, I guess is what I should say. But it's just grown, and just people just freaking latch onto it for some reason. This year we put a brand new Whipple on it. We put their big 4.5 liter. We just started adding the nitrous. We're gonna do some baby steps and then start leaning on it. The motor's fully done. It's got a badass start block in it. It's got a ultra billet Callie's crank, CP rods and pistons in it. It's got some Brodex BR7 heads. I don't think there's anything that's gonna hurt this motor. Wes from Show Me Speed, like I said, he does tuning and stuff. We do everything on Holley Dominator. It's pretty awesome what we can do with it. This year and every past last year, I was just a little bit faster and a little bit faster. And like I said, this last race 2 weeks ago, we made some huge deals. And I skipped like a whole second. We're in a whole new game this year. I've got some high hopes, so we'll see what happens. We've got it turned up, and we're gonna make all of it, but only some of it. Yeah, exactly. So that's that. Hell yeah.